How to make a movie on Keynote. It's easier to insert audio into each individual slide than it is to narrate a whole movie. And also, if you go to Presentations, then Show Presenter Notes, you can type the text in that you want to read for each slide, and the text won't show up on the final movie. To make a recording for each slide, select the plus button, make sure that you are on Pictures, and then choose the little microphone for Record Audio. Tap the little blue mic icon at the bottom of your screen to start recording and tap it to stop. Then you can also preview it and see that it worked out okay, and if not, edit it. Just look for the little icons at the bottom of the screen. If you're happy with your recording, click Insert at the top of the screen and you'll see the little audio button appear on your slide. Once you have audio for every slide, you're ready to make the movie. Go to the three dots at the top right corner and then choose Export. Select Movie . Then click Export. This may vary on different models of iPads, but I think it should basically be the same and you should be able to work it out no matter what kind of iPad you have. Then hit the Share button to save your video somewhere. You can save it to your videos with your other photos or your files, or you can upload it to Google Drive. Just make sure it's somewhere that you can find it, rename it with the title and your name, and then attach it to Google Classroom. Finally, make sure that you have a title page and an end page so that your video doesn't begin and end too abruptly for the person who is viewing it. That's it. Have fun and make a fabulous video for this assessment task.